Welcome the our channel. Today we how to optimize secure wallets with Ledger, detailed guide step by step clearly. To optimize secure wallets with Ledger, start by ensuring you have the latest version of the Ledger Live application. Download Ledger Live from the official Ledger website and install it on your computer or mobile device. Connect your Ledger device to your computer using the provided USB cable. Open the Ledger Live application. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device if you haven't done so already. Select the option to manage your accounts within the application. Add your cryptocurrency accounts by selecting the Accounts tab. Choose Add Account and select the specific cryptocurrency you want to manage. Confirm your selection on the Ledger device screen. Once your accounts are added, check the latest firmware version for your Ledger device. Go to the Settings tab in Ledger Live and click on Firmware Update. If an update is available, follow the prompts to update your device. Be sure to back up your recovery phrase and store it safely in a secure location. Regularly verify that your recovery phrase is secure and retrievable. For optimal security, enable two-factor authentication on Ledger Live. Access the settings and navigate to Security. Follow the instructions to enable two-factor authentication for added protection. Use strong and unique passwords for your Ledger Live account. Consider using a password manager to keep track of your passwords securely. Regularly check for new security updates and announcements from Ledger. Be cautious of phishing attempts and only use official Ledger websites and applications. Disconnect your Ledger device from the computer when not in use to prevent unauthorized access. If you experience any issues, refer to the Ledger support resources available online. Always keep your device in a safe and secure location to minimize the risk of theft. Educate yourself about ongoing security threats in the cryptocurrency space. By following these steps, you can effectively optimize the security of your Ledger wallet. Maintaining good practices will significantly enhance the protection of your cryptocurrency assets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.